I literally never thought this was going to happen to me, but it actually happened. I had to officially switch my phone from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip to the S24 Ultra. I have my reasons why. I still love the Z Flip, but I started editing on my phone a lot more and filming with my phone a lot more, so I did upgrade to the S24 to have better quality videos, hopefully, and easier editing. Go ahead and join me as I do a little unboxing. Okay, so I thought that I was never going to switch out of the Z Flip5, but I've made a very big decision to upgrade to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Super exciting. The reason for this upgrade is because I have been editing a lot more on my phone, and this comes with the S Pen that the Z Flip does not have, and so I have decided to make the upgrade. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this just came in the mail, and then I also ordered a screen protector and a case. We'll start with the unboxing of the actual phone. Here we go. Ooh, this is the gray color. It's so sleek. Ooh, oh my, and it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. That's kind of like a translucent reflection to it. Looks really nice. And then, of course, every Samsung phone comes with the cable for charging and then for the SIM card. Okay, so we're gonna start right away with the screen protector because I do not want any scratches on this phone, and it's bound to happen sooner or later without a protector. It comes with the screen protector, the dust removal sticker, cleaning wipes, and installation guide. Oh, this one actually is super cool. It's like a new one that I just saw. It comes with this installation guide that I've never seen before. Here it also comes with the camera covers. But check this out. If you're confused like me, you can read the screen protector installation manual. This one comes with the physical applicator, so I bought it because I wanted to try it. But here we go. I'm going to take the original screen protector off. I'm going to gently put the phone down, and I've got the screen protector here. All right, here we go. So this is the applicator. We put it right on top of the phone. And then this also has the sticker, so you know exactly which part to peel off. Step one, there's only one step. Usually there's like 2 steps, but this one only has 1 step. So I'm just gonna take that off and flip it over and align it on the applicator. The hardest part is aligning it with the camera. But that's why we have this guidance right here. So it fits right into the applicator, and you can see it starting to stick on. And it also comes with this little device to get all the excess air bubbles out. So don't be like me and forget to clean the screen and remove the dust because it comes with it, so you might as well use it. I just totally forgot, but also there's not a lot of dust here right now, which is good. So anywho, now I've got the screen on, and then I'm just gonna gently remove the applicator and then save this for the other 2 screen protectors that it comes with. And we'll get the screen protectors out of the way. The next thing is the case. And because I do plan to film with this phone, I was looking for a protective case that also had a stand with it. This was kind of the best I could find. But it's a very simple case. It's super clear. So I set it like that. So far, so good though. Simple and sweet. Now let's get the phone turned on. Wow, it's a very flat and square phone. I really like it. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone started, set up, and all my Z Flip data transferred. Wow, the screen is so big, I like it. Let me compare it real quick with my Z Flip. Something about this is that the device here, the S24, is a little more sleek. It's very flat and the screen's big. I'm gonna miss being able to fold it into my pockets, but improvement. Galaxy now also has this very simple system to connect and transfer all the data. I'm used to this because I've done it a couple times, switching from Z Flip 3 to 4 to 5, and now to the S24 Ultra. And I'm gonna get this set up and we'll see you guys later.